Hello everyone, I'm Ragini Kachwa. I'm the principal of Lucknow International School. I have been the founder principal of this school for the past 10 years. My school is Day Come Boarding International School. We are situated in the beautiful city of Jodhpur in the valiant state of Rajasthan. It's been close to a year that we've been using the CNG powered vehicles. Before this, all our vehicles were diesel powered, and we have a fleet of 16 to 17 buses. All of these were earlier powered by diesel, but then we realized that the maintenance and the running costs were pretty high. We tried with one bus in the month of June 2023. Seeing its results, we realized that it's any day beneficial to shift to CNG. Since then, there hasn't been looking back. We now have almost, as I said, a fleet of 16 buses powered by CNG. With CNG powered vehicles, the biggest advantage that we've seen is, of course, in saving the costs for the institution. The average for every bus was earlier approximately 3 kilometers per litre. It has moved up to 5 kilometers per litre now. Also, the pricing of CNG in itself is a big savior. Diesel on an average costs us somewhere around 90 rupees per litre, whereas CNG is already priced at 86, and which is in itself a big savior when it comes to per litre cost. So running costs also are very low when it comes to CNG. The kind of services that we've received from AGP Pratham have been remarkable. They've always been there for their customers. Their satisfaction is their prime important criteria and field that they look into. Budget, of course, is one thing that we were very happy when we embarked on our journey of converting my school, right from the buses using CNG and my school mess using the PNG gas. So AJNP was our first choice, and I believe it has been one of the best choices that we've made. As school owners, principals, directors, we all should understand that it's not just about educating our children. It's about understanding our responsibility as leaders, and we need to understand our responsibility towards our environment, towards our planet, and there will be no tomorrow if there is no today. If we do not look at today with responsibility, we will not be able to see the tomorrow, and as leaders we have to ensure that we take those right decisions today to see a better tomorrow. And I think CNG and PNG, of course, are the way forward.